Hello guys and welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a bit about British culture, particularly about England. But first of all, let's see if you know something very important about the United Kingdom. Do you know how many countries make up the United Kingdom? Is it just one country or two or three? How many countries? Great! So for those who have said that it's 4 countries, you were right. The United Kingdom is made up for Scotland, Northern Ireland, of course, England, and Wales. Very well, now that you know that the United Kingdom is formed for 4 countries, each one with their own unique traditions and costumes, let's see what happens with England. Today, we are going to talk about one of them, which is England. Here are some interesting facts about England. First of all, you have to know that us, Spanish people, are always late for everything. Well, not the British. The British are very, very punctual. Being late is odd and in some cases considered to be rude. British people are never late. In fact, they are always very early. Keep it in mind. Take a look at your watch and don't be late in England. The second fact is about jump lines. We know them as queues. Queuing in England. In some countries, jumping the queue may be acceptable, but not in the UK. In the UK, people may not be very happy with you and definitely let you know how unhappy they are about the situation. Standing patiently in the queue is a normal part of the British culture. Are you feeling hungry? 'Cause I am. So tell me what British food you know. Okay, I bet you said fish and chips, didn't you? This is the most typical British food. The plate contains a deep fried fish and potato chips. British people often prefer the cod and haddock over the other sorts of fish. You can also prepare some boiled peas mixed with salt, pepper, or other ingredients. But did you know that there is a popular breakfast in England? It's called full English breakfast. The typical English breakfast is rich with ingredients including bacon, eggs, sausages, tomatoes, mushrooms, ham browns, toast, and tea or coffee. Don't worry, they don't eat that every day. They only eat that as a treat at the weekend. Now I'm very hungry. Right, let's see what happens with English sports. Do you like sports? Either watching or playing. Sports are very popular among the Brits. Clearly, the football or soccer by the Americans is the British top favorite sport. This normally would be expected because the UK is where the modern football has begun. Can you name the top football teams? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, that's right. We've got the Liverpool, the Manchester United, and the Chelsea, and many more. The second most favorite sport in Britain is rugby. A long time ago, this sport was associated with the elite, but later it became widespread. Today, there are 2 leagues of rugby in the UK. That's all, guys. See you in the next class and have a good weekend. Enjoy your live classes.